So the battery died on the camera before we finished up. So this is what it looks like now compared to before. And now it's time to do the other side. That's the last side left. Dog doesn't seem too happy about it. But yeah. So this side is what's left. The back's done. Again, they all need to be set, but there's new wheels going on them. Got this guy out easy, just putting the spring clamps on now. Well, I say easy, actually the bottom nut was a bit painful, but put these guys on it. Take off this little screw, same as the other side. And yeah, put this back on to the new coilover, and that's it. So, shock and spring dismantled. The springs are actually in good enough nick. I don't know actually if the lighting will show that, but the springs were in good enough nick. But the shocks were just completely done. So yeah, definitely an improvement. Let's get them put together now. It's not sure. So that's all coilovers on. The one we just done, and then the back ones. There's a spanner to go on this too. So we're there painting that at the minute, and then it's that side and the front. Here's the interior. I'm going to be wrapping all of this walnut with a carbon fibre wrap. See how it turns out. I've already done a bit. It's this stuff here. That light is not great. That stuff. That stuff. Replace all the walnut. The only bit of work that was done to it was the headliner in this car was scrap whenever I got it, so I replaced the headliner and retrimmed some bits. So you can see here that there's a new black headliner in, and there's black trims on, and well, that trim there's to be replaced. And then the sunroof fin's recovered. I'll put up a photo of that. And then I have to solder on the new loom that came with the new headliner. Has to be soldered into the original loom for these lights. The sunroof works on a different loom, so it's still working fine. And then once that's done, I think that's it. I gotta clean up some stuff in here, but yeah, all this walnut will be going and give the car an more clean. But yeah, that's it. So another night done. See you on the next one.